Hi, I'm Harshvardhan, and now we are going to study the routing information protocol. So for that we need to build a network topology. So first router and a generic router, another copy of router, then end devices, generic PCs, PC0, PC1, PC2 and PC3. Between router and the PCs we need to connect a switch. I am choosing a generic switch. Now connect PC0 with switch 0, PC1 with switch 0, likewise PC2 with switch 1 and PC3 with switch 1. Connect both the switches with corresponding routers. Now you can see this is a network, another network is this, and we want to connect this network with this network. So connect router 0 with router 1. Now assign IPs. Before that, display the IPs. The router has two networks connected at 0/0 and one at serial 2.0. So this IP is for this network. We have to configure another IP for this network. Now there are three networks in our topology. The first one is 10.10.10.0. Second one is 20.20.20.0, and the third one is 30.30.30.0. Okay. Now the time to assign IPs for the devices. So PC0, open the desktop and IP configuration. Set this IP to PC0 10.10.10.2 subnet mask, and as we want to connect this PC0 with another network also, so we have to state the default gateway as 10.10.10.1. Same procedure with PC1. subnet mask and the same gateway. Go to config, it is FA0/0 fast ethernet 0/0, state the IP and make the connection on. Likewise, same procedure for PC2, it is 20 network. PC3, now time for router. Go to config, before that check it is FA0/0 fast ethernet 0/0 20.20.20.1 and make it on. Likewise, the first network is done, we have done with second network. Now configure the third network. So select the router, you can see here SE 2.2/0 serial 2/0, assign the IP 30.30.30.1 and make it on. Same at router 1, it is also serial 2/0. Make it on. Now close. So now send message from PC0 to PC1. Yes, you can see here successful. Like from PC2 to PC3, it is also successful. Now send message from PC0 to PC2, it is failed because we haven't enabled the routing information protocol at these routers. This router know at this stage, this router knows only the IPs of PC0 and PC1 and the router 1. It doesn't know the IPs for PC2 and the PC3. Likewise, router 1 knows only the IPs of PC2, PC3 and the router 0. It doesn't know the IPs of PC0 and PC1. For this purpose, we are using routing information protocol. To enable this protocol, go to the for this there are two ways to enable the protocol. We can go with the GUI based way or other one is command based. So first we will try the command based. Exit from here, use command router RIP. In the router's configuration mode of the router, specify the network which network we want to add. For this router there are two networks. First one is 10.10.10.0 and another is 30.30.30.0. 10.10.10.0. Likewise, now we are done with router 0. Same process for router 1, but for this time we will do it with the GUI 1. So you can assign the network IDs with static mode or RIP. We are going with RIP. So enter the IP of the networks for this router. First one is 20.20.20.20.20.0. Click on add. Another one is 30.30.30.0. Add. We have added. The same commands are executed on the terminal, like first one is exit, router RIP, network and network. So after this we have to save our configuration. Okay, configured from console by console. Now let's check from PC 0 to PC 2. It is failed. Try after some time. PC 0 PC 2. It is now successful. Likewise from PC 1 to PC 3. Status is still failed. Try one more time. It is successful. After configuration, it needs some time to save the changes, so take time before sending the message from any PCs. Yes, it is successful, and in the same network it is also successful. Okay, thank you for watching this video.